Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to manage in-game store. In the beginning, let's go to store from main menu of the game, and here you can check featured. Featured are currently best items to buy. Currently we can buy Turnstagon bundle, old school, Montesic, brazier and new wave cosmetic items, and in bundles we can buy individual cap by Puma, bundle Ronaldinho and bundle Turnstagon. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.